What if I told you that you could make ice cream with your kids during this holiday with just only few ingredients that you already have in your kitchen? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making 3 flavors of homemade ice cream that is easy to make and very delicious. First, we are making peanut ice cream. Pour your double cream into a bowl. Using your hand mixer, whisk until soft peaks. When it comes to ice cream, doing it yourself at home isn't just fun, but it helps you control what goes into it. When you are done whisking, take out your mixer, then go ahead to add in condensed milk. You can add as much or as little as you want, depending on how sweet you want your ice cream to be. After adding your condensed milk, properly mix the ice cream mixture so that everything can be fully combined, just like this. After that, I'll be introducing my flavor. So because we are making peanut butter in this video, I'll be adding my homemade peanut butter, and then I go ahead to properly mix it together. After that, transfer your ice cream into a container, smoothing out the top, and sprinkle some peanuts on top of it. If you are allergic to nuts, you can make it without the peanuts. Cover with a wrap and place in the freezer to cool for 4 to 6 hours. After that, you bring it out of the freezer, and what you have is a sweet, nutty and crunchy homemade ice cream that you and your kids would love. Scoop and enjoy. So this is how to make a super creamy 3-ingredient peanut ice cream with your kids this holiday season. Hope you enjoy this recipe and you'll be making it with your kids. Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Next up, we are making the blueberry ice cream. This one is perfect for summer days and your kids will love it. We are going to be using the same base like before. You add in your double cream, you mix it until soft peaks, then you go in with your condensed milk, properly mix it until fully combined and smooth, and then you transfer into a container. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot and motivates me to keep creating more videos. Moving on, you go ahead and add in your homemade blueberry sauce. If you want a video of how I made this sauce, type blueberry in the comment section and I will drop a video of how I made this sauce. Continue to layer your blueberry sauce and your ice cream in your container until you fill it up, and using a spoon, give it a good swirl mix, just like I'm doing in the video. This ice cream is sweet and fruity, and it will make a fun cooking experience for you and your kids. After mixing, wrap it with a clean film and pop it in the freezer to freeze for 4 to 6 hours. 6 hours later, take it out of the freezer, unwrap it, and there you have it, your homemade blueberry ice cream that is better than store-bought, with no preservative and no nonsense added. Scoop your homemade delight and enjoy. I hope you are loving this recipe. If you do, please type in the comment section, I love it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Up next is the Oreo ice cream. If you're an Oreo lover, you definitely like this one. Same base, same process, because we want to keep it simple. Add in your double cream into your bowl, whisk until soft peaks, add in your condensed milk and sweeten based on your preference. Mix it together and then set it aside. If you are new here and seeing my video for the first time and you've watched up to this point and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, like, share to your friends and family who would need this video. Also, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Moving on, crush some Oreos and add it into your ice cream mixture. Then you transfer it into your container. Top it up with some more crushed Oreos. Cover and place it in the freezer to freeze for 4 to 6 hours. 6 hours later, bring out your homemade Oreo ice cream, unwrap and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you'll be creating it this holiday with your kids and loved ones. Let me know in the comment section and tell me how yours went. As usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.